guess what? I'm really the man. They fuck with me hard wherever I land. Oh, she wanna roll with a real one. She wanna roll with a real one. She wanna roll with a real one. She wanna roll with a real one.
Hey ladies, it's Chatney B here, and I'm coming to you with all this va-va-voom. So if you're interested in this unit, stay tuned.
Honey.
This unit was sent to me by Elevate Styles, and she is SAMARA. Boom. She is by Outre. It is the daily wig, and you can either switch it over to the left side, or you can switch it over to the right, or you can have it in the middle. This color is 1B. It's heat resistant fiber. It's safe up to 400 degrees. It's a hand tied lace part. And she does come in a couple of different colors, but I wanted her in black. When I pulled her out the box, her curls were very tight and very defined, but it didn't take much to actually finger comb through. So I didn't use a comb or a brush or anything. I just kind of finger comb through because I don't like how wigs get kind of poofy and tangled up with doing so. But these curls are gorgeous. Like, I'm gonna stand up and let y'all see these curls. Slow motion for me. Slow motion for me. These curls are for the girls. I'm standing up. I'm 5'4", and this is where she comes to me. I'm on my tippy toes now. Here is my bum. Here's the hair. So she's pretty long. She is a doll. She is like very voluminous. Her density is amaze balls. Like, she has the right amount of density. She's not too thin with these curls, but she's not overpowering, which is what I love the most. She is synthetic, but she feels very, very good. She has layers. I don't like those Farrah Fawcett curls going to the back. I did pluck some baby hairs. I have footage of how the parting came, but I plucked it a little bit and put a bit of concealer on it. It didn't take too much plucking to do though. Oh, it did not come with any lace to cut, which was a plus. Thank you, Outre. I didn't have to cut any lace, but the top is lace. The part is lace. Thank you. It's a plus for me because I don't like to have to do the whole shindig just to get my hair on. I want to be able to put my hair on. She comes with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and adjustable straps, as I have included that in the footage. She is big head friendly, just perfect size for my head. She's not too tight, she's not on the edge. She fits, and she fits very, very nicely. I didn't have any type of shedding. I do have a bit of tangling in between these curls, but of course you all know with synthetic wigs it does tend to tangle, but it's nothing that I couldn't manage. As much as you brush it out, it does tend to kind of feather up a bit, but it is not losing its curl whatsoever. Here is the back, here is the side, there's the front. This hair, everybody knows I like to get dolled up. So if you like to get dolled up and you don't want a lot of work to get it done, SAMARA is your girl. I love these curls. SAMARA is your girl, and I love these girls. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Again, Elevate Styles did send me this wig, so if you're interested in purchasing this wig, I will make sure that I put the information down below. so you all can check it out. Follow me on Instagram at BeReal_ChadneyB. Tag me in your pictures so I can see how cute you guys are for Valentine's Day. I want to see how cute y'all look because I look cute. What is the goal for Valentine's Day? To be cute. What is Chad trying to do? Bring you some cuteness. So yes, that's all I have to say for this wig. The wig to me speaks for itself, honey, and I don't really have to say too much besides go to Instagram and look at the other pictures that I'm about to post on this hair. And if this video hasn't sold you, go over there, look at them pictures, because one way or the other, you're gonna get this wig. Do you have this wig? If you do have this wig, what color do you have? Does it tangle on you? Does it shed on you? Comment down below in the comment section so we can have a discussion about this beauty here. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Turn on that notification bell because I have so many great videos in store for you guys. In the meantime, in between time, take care of yourself, because if you don't take care of yourself, you will not be able to come back here to see me, and that is just not fair. Take care of yourself. Pinky promise, I'll do the same. I love you, okay? Like I love these curls. Call me up and let me know what wig we need to get next. Make sure you share this video so you can let everybody know why we love wigs. Alright, thanks so much for watching this video, guys. I love you, I love you, I love you. I'll see you later, girl. See ya. She is bomb, she is bomb, she is bomb. She is bomb, she is bomb, she is bomb. She is bomb, na 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 na. She is bomb. Oh 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 oh. She is bomb, bomb 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 bomb. She bomb. Oh, look at that. And cut.